Hey everybody, welcome to Passion Unchained. I'm Joe. I've been vlogging for a few years now on my vlog channel, link in the description below. I started this channel to dive into my passions and share them with you, my passionate and glorious subscribers. As y'all know, if you're veterans of my vlog channel, you know I've been making ghee for over a year now. I transmute Irish Kerrygold butter into gorgeous golden ghee. I am the butter clarifier! I am the ghee wizard! I am the milk fat king! But what I didn't know is that Tibetan monks traditionally use ghee in meditation candles. It makes sense. How else does butter become clarified? Except going up to a monastery and finding clarity. So I've decided to make a meditation candle with the ghee that I sell at the market. And I've decided to make a stop motion video for you guys to enjoy. So enjoy the montage without further ado. I am the butter. I am the butter. Tasty, purified milk fat runs through my veins. It turned out well. I can definitely improve on the professionality of the candle, but it's got a soft glow that's really relaxing. And it's kind of cool how gorgeous and golden that melted layer is. I feel like drinking the candle, but I probably shouldn't. I will be at Squatch Fitness in Austin, Texas, at 701 Tillery Street on January 17th of this year, 2021, for a market. I'll be selling ghee. I'll also be selling candles because this turned out really well. So candles, ghee candles, and everything you like. So if you want to get some, then hit me up, 701 Tillery Street from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at Squatch Fitness in Austin, Texas. If you learned something new or got a laugh or just liked this video and think a friend would love it, maybe your friend's a ghee fanatic, maybe your friend's into Ayurveda or D.I.Y. or any of that awesome stuff, share it with them. Send this over to them, subscribe, and share the love, because anyone who can enjoy this video, anyone who's curious about the world, anyone who's interested about new things, I like to share new things, I like to share passions and all that jazz. The more people I have helped, and the happier I am. Until we meet again, my friends. The butter runs through me. The butter runs through me. The butter runs through me. The butter runs through me.